नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साधना टीवी के सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों को मेरा प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत। Today I'll speak on how being in integrity expands your relationship with others. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसी संपूर्ति की स्थिति आपके अन्य लोगों के साथ संबंधों का विस्तार करता है। Integrity yesterday I was expanding how the integrity directly creates relationship with you. Please listen. Relationship is of different levels. One, able to sit with yourself and able to be in peace with you and completion with yourself. ध्यान से सुनिए। You need to understand integrity. I'll expand once more the definition. कृपया पुनः सुनिए। संपूर्ति का अर्थ है आप स्वयं को और अन्य लोगों को दिए हुए विचार एवं वाक्य को पूर्ण करें और स्वयं और जीवन के साथ पूर्णत्व स्थिति का अनुभव करें। Listen. Integrity, profound, most powerful, immediate solution. कल मैं विवरण कर रहा था कैसे संपूर्ति सीधा आपके संबंध को बनाती है। First, integrity makes you feel comfortable with you because the completion makes you feel comfortable with you. When you are complete with you, so many wonderful things can start happening. First, completion with you means the possibility for creating new diseases disappears. All the disease you create newly is from source of incompletion. Listen. Integrity stops you creating new disease. Authenticity heals even the disease you created earlier. When you start thinking with integrity, with awareness, every word you give it to you becomes a commitment you give it to you. It means every desire you have is a commitment you have given it to you. है अनेकों स्तर में विस्तार करता है। एक आप अपने साथ पूर्णत्व के साथ संबंध रख सकते हैं। सो लिसन, कृपया सुनिए। When you know every word you give it to you is a commitment you make with yourself, and you have to honor them, you will make only conscious commitments to you, conscious words to you. It's really unfortunate. You have so much knowledge and awareness about so many things happening in so many places around the world. It's so unfortunate. You do not have knowledge about what is happening inside you. You are not aware of what is happening inside you. When you bring integrity in your thinking, first thing you will know what is happening inside you. Integrity makes you feel comfortable with you, because the completion makes you feel comfortable with you. The words you give it to you, if you have not honored, they remain as a hangover in you and continues to burn you with incompletion. If you don't honor the words you give it to you, you lose self-confidence and self-respect. If you don't honor the word you gave it to others, you lose others' confidence over you, their respect over you. Listen, everything in your life is totality of honoring the words you give it to you and to others, because the respect you carry for you and the respect others carry for you, the confidence others have for you and the confidence you have on you, these two put together is your life. जब आपको पता है कि आपको अपने हर शब्द को निभाना पड़ेगा, तब आप अपने हर शब्द को जागरूकता के साथ बोलेंगे। Listen. When You honor the word, you give it to others, not only they will have confidence and respect over you, only then the relationship exists. Please understand, each human being carries so much of energy. Even if you have an integrated relationship with only one human being, your life can be different. Because, listen, every person with whom you have an integrated relationship adds strength to you, not just mentally, like a confidence, moral boost, or social power. Consciously they add strength to you. Listen. If you are having integrated relationship with your mother, consciously she adds strength to you. If you have a integrated relationship with your father, consciously he adds strength to you. Every individual with whom you have integrated relationship, those people consciously enrich you. आत्मविश्वास जो आपको दूसरों के ऊपर है और आत्मविश्वास जो आपको अपने आप पर है, इन दोनों के सम्मेलन ही जीवन है। सुनिए, आत्मविश्वास जो आपको दूसरों के ऊपर है और आत्मविश्वास जो आपको अपने आप पर है, इन दोनों का सम्मेलन ही जीवन है। केवल जब आप दूसरों को दिए हुए आपके हर शब्द को निभाएंगे, तभी दूसरों को आपके ऊपर विश्वास रहेगा और तभी वह संबंध विस्तार हो सकता है। You need to know relationships are not something external. It is expression of yourself. How you feel with you, the relationship you carry with you will only be projected as a relationship with the world. Just visualize everyone who relates with you, if they are with integrity, how happy your life will be. When they are not integrated, how much you have suffered. संबंध आपके बाहर नहीं है, संबंध आपके अंतर की स्थिति का प्रतीक है। When you bring integrity, means either honoring or completing the word you give it to others. So much of confidence, others will have over you, you will have over others. The conflicts in the life will drastically drop. ध्यान से सुनिए. The conflicts in the life will drastically drop. The success happens in the life, fulfillment happens in the life when the conflicts reduce. When the conflicts reduce, life energy starts oozing in you. Listen. When you have incompletion with your mother, there is every possibility left part of your body will be paralyzed in your later parts of the year. If you have incompletion with father, right part can get paralyzed because it is their biomemory, mother's biomemory and father's bioenergy you are carrying in your body. जब आप संपूर्ति की स्थिति लाते हैं, तब दूसरों को आपके ऊपर विश्वास रहेगा और आपके जीवन में संघर्ष समाप्त होगा. I can tell you, संघर्ष समाप्त होगा. आप अपने आपके लिए कैसा महसूस करते हैं? जो संबंध आप स्वयं के साथ रखते हैं, वही केवल दुनिया के साथ संबंध के रूप में पेश होगा. Unfortunately, human beings don't look for permanent real solutions. They only want consolations, not solutions. I tell you, solutions, permanent solutions are easy and quick than temporary solutions. The mind which goes for temporary solutions has certain sickness and will not execute even the temporary solutions. If you are asking for temporary solutions, that itself shows your mind is not intelligent enough and suffers with the laziness pattern. Boredom pattern will not allow you to practice even simple temporary solutions. दुर्भाग्य से मानव स्थिर समाधान के लिए तैयार नहीं है. वे केवल अल्पकालिक समाधान को ढूंढते हैं. ढूंढते हैं। दुर्भाग्य से मानव स्थिर समाधान के लिए तैयार नहीं है, स्थिर समाधान के लिए तैयार नहीं है। वे केवल अल्पकालिक समाधान को ढूंढते हैं। That is the main reason the teachers, gurus give temporary solutions are more popular. It feels more like an instant food restaurant. Instant food restaurants like McDonald's, KFC, Pizza Huts, especially McDonald's, you know the effect of that on your body, what it can do to your body. यही कारण है कि गुरु एवं अध्यापक अल्पकालिक समाधान को ही देते हैं। I tell you, the permanent solutions, even though looks like it may take time, if you start living, they are the real instantaneous. They give result immediately. And short-term solutions, because of the loopholes in them and the mind which asks for short-term solutions have innate laziness and boredom to transform themselves, they will not allow you to practice even short-term solutions. How many of you picked up yoga or gymming or running as a short-term solution for certain problem? You will see you will not be doing it more than few days. I can guarantee you. ध्यान से सुनिए, स्थिर समाधान अगर वक्त भी लग जाए, अगर आप उन्हें जीने लगते हैं, वे आपकी संघर्ष को तुरंत सुलझा सकते हैं, सुलझा सकता है। ध्यान से सुनिए, स्थिर समाधान अगर वक्त भी लग जाए, अगर आप उन्हें जीने लगते हैं, वे आपकी संघर्ष को तुरंत सुलझा सकता है। When integrity became your thinking style, you will enjoy so much of others' confidence over you, your own confidence over you, and the confidence of the cosmos over you. Listen. जो दिमाग अस्थाही समाधान को अपनाता है को उसमें निश्चित ही कोई बीमारी होती है और वह अस्थाही समाधान का भी पालन नहीं करेगा। I am giving you permanent but instantaneous, immediate solutions. Listen. These words are not the words you need to practice for years to get result. Start the integrity now. From today, you will see the confidence of others on you, your confidence on you, because integrity is such powerful process. The moment you are integrated, everyone around you know you are living in integrity. जब संपूर्ति आपके सोचने का विधान बन जाए, तब आपको स्वयं के ऊपर, दूसरों को आपके ऊपर विश्वास विस्तार हो जाए. Listen, permanent solutions are easy and quick than temporary solutions, because the mind from which you receive temporary solutions, that mind itself is not in integrity. So any solution they give will not be a solution. स्थाही समाधान अस्थाही समाधान से कहीं त्वरित और आसान है. Bring yourself to the solutions only based on solving the problem eternally. I tell you, when you bring integrity with your relationship with others, honoring the words you gave or completing the words you gave, the way others look at you will be transformed immediately. How many of you experienced this in your life when you restored integrity with others? Immediately the way they look at you is transformed. Raise your hand. And the way you look at you is transformed. Relax. Integrity directly restores the way you look at you and the way you look at others. Lack of integrity makes even institution as individual lonely, alone people. Integrity makes even an individual organized organization. Listen, lack of integrity makes even an organization broken alone individuals. Integrity can make even an individual an organized organization. When you live integrity, you in your view and you in others' view, you go on expanding. That we can do. संपूर्ति आपको स्वयं की दृष्टि में और अन्य लोगों के दृष्टि में विस्तार करता है. How many of you felt so much of self-confidence and self-respect when you have started living in integrity with you and others? Raise your hand. Can you imagine? This self-confidence is called Atma Bala. Completion with yourself is the strength of the Atman. Relax. When you bring integrity in yourself, the way they look at you will transform immediately. Integrity brings so much of strength and power in you. In Mahanirvani Akhada, this time we saw 3 sadhus. In Mahanirvani, 2 sadhus, 1 sadhu from Niranjani, keeping the hands raised for 12 years, 8 years, 10 years. 1 hand raised. I spoke to 1 sadhu, of course not in these 3, some other sadhu in earlier kumbhas. One sadhu was keeping his hand always up. I asked him, why did you take up this tapas? There are so many ways of tapas. Who doesn't lie down and sleep? There was a sadhu who stands in 1 leg for last 12 years. Why did you take up this tapas? He said he was studying Bhagavad Gita under his guru. During the class he slept and his guru told him, keep your hands raised so that you will not fall asleep. So the guru gave the instruction. He kept the hands up so that he will not fall asleep. Suddenly, before ending the class, Guru had an heart attack and attained Mahasamadhi. He passed away. Because Guru has not told me to drop the hand, I cannot drop the hand. He told me to keep the hands up. That's it. And still he is keeping the hands up. And he says, I conquered sleep completely. When I met him, he must be around 60. He must be keeping his hands up for last 30 years. Of course, I did not meet this sadhu this time. This sadhu, I don't know whether he came to Kumbh Mela or not this time. But earlier I met him. I could see one thing in him. So much of the power of integrity. I could see his tongue had a vak siddhi. He's a Siddha Purusha, vak siddhi. Because of his commitment to himself, his integrity, he had vak siddhi developed in course of his tapas period. I tell you, these are extremes. I am not even asking you to go to those extremes. All I am saying you is, when you bring integrity, honoring the words you give it to others and you, in your relationships with others, suddenly the friendliness in your relationships increase. Demands in your relationships breaks the relationships and makes it dry. Friendliness in your relationships adds juice to the relationship and keeps it stable and growing. Above all, the relationships become worthy of living. संपूर्ति का शक्ति आपको सिद्ध पुरुष बना सकता है। केवल यही नहीं, संपूर्ति आपके संबंधों में मित्रता लाता है। केवल यही नहीं, संपूर्ति आपके संबंधों में मित्रता लाता है। Integrity, when you bring it, the relationship with others, it goes on expanding you. Integrity is nothing but conscious planning for completion of your life. As on now, your life is like you are driving without GPS. You don't know where you have to reach and you don't know which direction you have to go. Because you have a vehicle from which you can't get down, you are driving. Even if you reach, it is more like an accident. Integrity is, you know the direction, you know the goal, you have the GPS, and you are driving it consciously. 100% you know for sure you will reach it. If you are not reaching, it is an accident. Without integrity, if you are reaching, it is an accident. संपूर्ति आपके जीवन में लगातार संपूर्णता लाने का अद्भुत साधन है. Without integrity, you don't even know where you are driving, what speed you are going. You see a huge hill in front of you. If you drive, continue to drive, you may go and hit at the hill, but still you are imagining you are reaching a beach to have a vacation. In integrity, the possibilities you are creating and the will you are having, both are not only aligned, travel in opposite directions. You try to realize paradoxes as paradises. In lack of integrity, you do not know difference between paradise and paradox. संपूर्ति के बिना आपको अपने जीवन के रफ्तार के बारे में जानकारी नहीं होगी. संपूर्ति और कुछ नहीं, पर आपने जीवन की योजना जागरूकता के साथ बनाना है। I tell you, only when you bring integrity, you will even know the real purpose of your life. Real purpose of each relationships in your life. Real purpose of why you should have money, why you should have relationships, why you should have meditation, why you should have a guru, why you should have what all you need to have. That will become clear only when you have integrity. Essence of today, what I wanted to share with you all, bringing integrity with others is the only way relationships can be created, and it is not long-term process, long-term solution. It is immediate solution, permanent solution. We think always long-term solution means executing also is very difficult, which is not true. Here, integrity is the permanent solution and immediate solution which you can practice now. आज की सत्संग की सारांश है, केवल संपूर्ति के साथ ही आप अपने जीवन का उद्देश्य को जान सकते हैं। केवल संपूर्ति के साथ ही आप स्वयं से एवं दूसरों के साथ संबंधों का। My blessings to Singapore Center. Today 50 visitors and devotees have gathered. My blessings to all of you. My message for all of you is, learn these 4 principles of life: integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching. Go on practicing it. Only when you start living them in your life, when you pull these tattvas into your life, life starts happening in you. Please, all of you, understand these 4 tattvas and start living. All my blessings are with you. Let all of you have successful relationships, wealth, health, space of positivity, possibility, leadership, and space of enlightenment. I am with you all.